All right, breaking news coming in on Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case. Now, Sushant Singh Rajput's father has registered an FIR, has filed a complaint against actor Rhea Chakrabarti, who is supposedly a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who had just a few days back demanded a CBI inquiry into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, the Sushant Singh Rajput's family, in fact, has registered an FIR complaint against her. A 4-member Bihar police team is now in Mumbai. This has been done after the complainant, Sushant's father, registered a case against her at a police station in Patna. Devesh, my colleague, joining us with more details on this. Devesh, just when did the Bihar police team land in Mumbai, and are they questioning Rhea Chakrabarti?
See, what our sources are telling us that the police team from Patna, Bihar, came to Mumbai late in the late afternoon, and since then they've been trying to meet police officials, completing the formalities while they go ahead with the investigation. This case has been registered against Rhea Chakrabarti. That is what our sources are telling us, and it includes several sections along with abetment to suicide. That is what we know. The case has been registered at Rajiv Nagar Police Station at Digha Road in Patna, and Mr. K.K. Singh, who is the father of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, he is the complainant in this case. Ankit?
What are the charges? Is there abetment of suicide charge which has been leveled against Rhea Chakrabarti?
Yes, that is Ankit, from our sources, that abetment to suicide charge sections have been registered against Rhea Chakrabarti. Along with that, there are several other sections which have been added. The complaint also states that there was Rhea had allegedly siphoned around 17 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput. That is what has been mentioned in the FIR, in the complaint registered by Mr. K.K. Singh. It also says that the complaint also states IPC sections 341, 342, 380, 406, 420, that is for cheating, and 306, that is abetment to suicide against Rhea Chakrabarti. And this has been registered at the Rajiv Nagar Police Station in Digha Road, Patna. Ankit?
You know, Devesh, after these charges, has the investigation or, as far as the recording of the statement of the actor is concerned, is that on? What is the Mumbai police sources telling you? Because she was earlier questioned by the Mumbai police as well. We saw her outburst on the social media demanding a CBI inquiry. What did she, in fact, say in her statement to the Mumbai police?
See, Rhea Chakrabarti, in her statement, which went on for more than 10 hours at the Bandra police station, which was one of the first statements recorded by Mumbai police when they started this probe, Rhea Chakrabarti had said that she was staying with Sushant Singh Rajput till the 8th of June. But 8th of June, something happened. The details were not revealed by police on what happened, what went wrong. But Sushant asked her to leave on 8th of June, after which she returned back to her residence. And since then, she hadn't met or contacted Sushant Singh Rajput. There was no phone call, there was no communication between them till she came to know of Sushant's death on 14th of June from media. Also, Rhea had revealed that she had come out of,
yes.
She had terminated her contract with YRF on advice of Sushant Singh Rajput, because Sushant had also terminated his contract with YRF in 2015. Remember, Rhea also had a contract, 3-film contract with YRF, and she came out of that contract on advice of Sushant Singh Rajput. There were talks that they would work for some other filmmakers, some other production houses other than YRF.
It's very interesting what you are telling us, because now this is getting, the twists and turns in this case are astonishing. Rhea Chakrabarti, a very close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who in fact just a few days back had gone ahead and wanted a CBI inquiry. Now a case has been registered against her, and as Devesh was telling us, the father complains that about 17 crore rupees has been siphoned off Sushant Singh Rajput, and the allegation is on the actor who was very close to Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, this is very interesting, Devesh. Apart from, the investigation of Riya Chakrabarti, Mahesh Bhatt was also questioned yesterday. He's also seen somebody who is very close to Riya Chakrabarti. In fact, there were reports that he was the one who was advising her with her relationship, on a relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. What happened in the questioning of Mahesh Bhatt?
See, Mahesh Bhatt has revealed that he had met Sushant Singh Rajput only twice. Once when Sushant came to see him in 2018, when they discussed about Mahesh Bhatt's YouTube channel, his books that he was planning to write for the several other talks on literary issues. And that was just a casual talk. After which, he finally met Sushant Singh Rajput when he was unwell in February 2020. When Mahesh Bhatt came to know that Sushant was not keeping well, he went to see him at his Bandra residence in February 2020, and that was just a small meeting between them, and that was only the two meetings that he had ever met Sushant Singh Rajput. That is what Mahesh Bhatt has said. Also, Mahesh Bhatt revealed that he never offered any films to Sushant Singh Rajput, as there were many reports which claimed that he was offered Sadak 2 earlier, but this film, but Sushant was later replaced by Aditya Roy Kapoor, wherein Mahesh Bhatt went on to say that the film was always planned with Sanjay Dutt and in the lead, and not Sushant Singh Rajput. While Sushant had expressed his desire to work with Mahesh Bhatt in the film and had said that if he finds any role suitable for him in the film, he would love to do that. Ankit?
Devesh, stay on with me. Let me also bring in our entertainment editor, Sushant Mehta, who's joining us with more details. This is not less than scandalous and, quite a big breaking news in this case, Sushant. Riya Chakrabarti, Sushant Singh Rajput's father, says siphoned off about 17 crore rupees. Serious sanctions has been, in fact, invoked in her against her in the FIR. This completely turns the entire case around.
Definitely it does, because the Mumbai police have been probing, as you know, they've been probing the industry, they've been probing every little detail, every angle in the case. But what's most interesting is that I've been speaking to anybody who claimed to be close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and they've all told me with the last about 6 months, nobody was really in touch with him. It was only Riya Chakrabarti. Now, once again, let's see how the investigation proceeds from here, because as you said, now this has turned the case on its head. But for the last 6 months, the only person who actually knew what Sushant was going through, all the doctors and all the commotion, it was only Riya Chakrabarti. Now, Riya Chakrabarti, as you know, a few days ago, a month after Sushant Singh Rajput passed, said she appealed for a CBI inquiry. She said, let's have a CBI inquiry to know what pressure Sushant was under. Who better than Riya Chakrabarti to tell us what Sushant was going through? So I thought that, she should have mentioned more about what were the pressures on him, because she would be the best person to answer those questions. As I told you, all the friends, the little circle that he had in the industry, all of them told me, we didn't know about him visiting psychiatrists. We didn't know about his condition being so serious, because he's almost isolated himself. He had cut himself off. So if Sushant's father today, after about 45 days, is filing an FIR, lodging an FIR against Riya Chakrabarti, this is huge. Also remember, she left him just a week before he actually died. So she was with him during this whole ordeal, and she left the house, went to her own house just a week before. But let the investigation now proceed. Let's see what the Mumbai police will probe now.
All this timing, Sushant, is quite it's quite interesting. All this timing of her leaving, Sushant Singh Rajput's last message to her, so and so forth, makes it very interesting. But the fact is that so far, and we were discussing this earlier in the day as well, nobody from Sushant Singh Rajput's family was saying anything. They were not pointing fingers at anybody. It was everybody else, from Kangana Ranaut to all actors, jumping into this. Now the father comes into the picture, and against Riya Chakrabarti. So this will be the most credible thing from a person, as close as his father, pointing fingers at a person who was close to him in his last days.
Definitely, definitely. As I said, this is huge. This is massive in the case, because once again, I'd like to reiterate, nobody was in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput, at least the people who I've spoken to. who were very, very close to him, they said that we were not in touch with him, didn't know what he was up to. Now you suddenly hear about all these theories about him visiting not one but 3 psychiatrists. So this is what the friends told me कि यार अगर कोई बीमार होता है तो कम से कम उसके दोस्तों को बताते हो legal advice, medical advice के लिए. The family would be, did the family know how serious he was? So if the family is pointing fingers at Rhea Chakrabarti, were they kept in the dark? So all of these questions I think need to be investigated. I think they've probed the industry angle enough. If they want to question Karan Johar, of course they should get done with it. But of course now Rhea Chakrabarti becomes the center of this investigation, and her testimony is very, very, very important.
You know, just very quickly before I let you go, Sushant, there is a Mahesh Bhatt character in this as well, who is supposedly seen very close to Rhea Chakrabarti. There were, in fact, people talking about how he was advising her on her relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput. He was questioned by the Mumbai police yesterday. What are you picking up on that? And now, are we going to see more people being questioned by the Bihar police, not the Mumbai police, but by Bihar police as well?
Well, certainly I think the Bihar police will now reach Mumbai and they will share notes with the Mumbai police. But Mahesh Bhatt, very interestingly, Mahesh Bhatt did a film with Rhea Chakrabarti, was close to Rhea Chakrabarti. He said, I visited Sushant also once in these 6 months. You know, he spoke to him and he said we shared notes about life. We did not talk about work or anything else, but we shared notes about life. All of this is also, again, it's hearsay of how Mahesh Bhatt was involved, how Karan Johar put pressure, how Aditya Chopra did this, what Sanjay Leela Bhansali did, Salman Khan also, some people have. So everybody has been named.
Sushant, just one.
Yes.
I'm just getting very interesting information, and I would like your comment on that. In fact, the sections which have been invoked by the Bihar in this FIR by the Bihar police. Section 341, 342, 380, 406, 420 and 306 of the IPC. Now 341 is wrongful restraint, 342 wrongful confinement, 380 theft in dwelling house, 420 is cheating. All these sections are very, very significant. That means the father has taken his time. There must be something that they have been told, that possibly he was kept away from his friends, and of course the money angle now being probed. This is going to spell trouble for Rhea Chakrabarti.
Exactly. And, you know, we don't want to jump the gun just yet. But what this means is that they are hinting at how Sushant was kept away from his near and dear ones. Even if he was being counseled, why were they kept in the dark? That, you know, he was visiting one after the other, these psychiatrists. He was obviously in a dark space because now they've ruled out any foul play. Why weren't the parents, the friends, the sisters, you know, why wasn't the family really being cautioned about his mental condition? And how come 1 week before he died, Rhea Chakrabarti just packs her bags, leaves, and after 1 week you get to know that Sushant is no more? So all these questions need to be answered, but definitely all the charges that you said, very, very, very interesting and huge in this case. If he was actually being restrained, if actually everybody else was being kept in the dark.
Yes, very serious charges have been put against Rhea Chakrabarti, including 306, that is abetment to suicide. For the first time since the time Sushant Singh Rajput has passed away, there have been now a person against whom a clear charge from the family has been put for abetment to suicide. This is now going to be the most interesting angle to be, in fact, probed in this trouble for Rhea Chakrabarti, as the Bihar police is now investigating the case on the FIR being lodged by Sushant Singh Rajput's father. Thank you so much, Sushant.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.